for us. You want to wait on this pool?
You want to wait under that one?
Okay, we're just going ahead to get the van. Pick you up.
What got in my mouth?
Oh look, there's stairs that led us down to this watery divine.
Who started walking down them? Wasn't it his grandpa, wasn't it? Oh, his dad.
No, after my grandpa started to walk down the bike and ran down. Then I ran after him and we all ran after him. And then we saw the duck. Then we decided to start walking uphill again because it started to rain.
Grandma's probably gonna die of pneumonia. It'll be all my fault. Are you videotaping me saying shit? How much videotape you got on there? Ooh, really? That's kind of cool. You don't have one single cover area here. Oh, look here.
If I would have known, you should have bring an umbrella.
I like the rain.
Why don't you guys go wait right in the